Well, here we are at Bishop's Lydeard in Somerset. It's a Freedom Camping Club. See how? It's a lovely field. A little bit undulating. It feels like Teletubby land. You can hear Archie, who's got the impact gun for the legs. Yay! You're gonna help Grumpy. High above, batteries charged. Yeah, got some portaloos over there. I'll point water. A couple of water points, electric points all over the place. And then over here, little small holding, lots of birds. There's chickens, cockerels, geese, bantams. Well, we're going to have a look at those in a minute. Right, say hello, Jenny.
Hello, Jenny.
Say hello, Archie. Right, we're going to have a look at some of the animals. Archie's leading the way. We're only here for one night. We've been here before years ago. Oh, actually, I think it was last year, but it's lovely. And you've got, what are these, Arch? What are they? They're baby chickens. Right, and then what we got over here? Watch the geese, they might charge.
I know what geese are like.
Arch, stay this way.
These are hens. These are hens.
Cockerels.
Cockerels, are they? Oh, sorry.
They've got the plume on the head, haven't they?
Oh, yeah. Should we go this way, Archie?
These are strange looking ones with these feathers.
Yeah. So different, aren't they?
It's all different breeds.
Yeah. I don't think we'll go over there much.
We've got geese wandering around. Although one of them tried to charge me last night, so I'm not going too close.
Stay here, Archie.
Yeah, beautiful little sight. Are you the guy that woke me up this morning? Hey? Which one of you woke me up? Yeah. What noise do they make, Arch? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Anyway, we just thought we'd give you a quick show around. Well, I recommend this site. We'll put a link in the description below, but yeah, it's really nice here, peaceful. Well, just around the corner you've got the steam railway that runs from here to Minehead, if I've got that right, and then opposite that you've got a brewery with a bar. It has live music and that the weekends, and it's really nice. That's literally a few hundred yards around the corner. But yeah, and there's the guys that woke us up.
Oh look, what's that, Archie? What's that?